Today, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit WooCommerce product prices in Excel. This is incredibly useful if you're managing a large inventory and need to update prices quickly without editing each product individually in WordPress. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Once you're in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. On your left navigation menu, you'll see your WooCommerce menu. This is where all your e-commerce settings and products are managed. To bulk edit your product prices in Excel, we'll need to install a specific plugin that makes this process possible. Click on Plugins on your left navigation menu. You'll be presented with all the plugins currently installed under your account. From the expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the Plugins page where you can search for new tools to enhance your site's functionality. Locate the search bar and type in Alt Export. It may take a while for the plugins to load, as this is a popular plugin with many users. From the results that appear, look for WP Alt Export and click on Install Now. This plugin is essential because it allows you to export your product data in a format that can be edited in Excel or other spreadsheet programs. Once the installation has finished, click on Activate. Give your page a moment to process this change. Once activated, refresh your page and you'll see the Alt Export menu added on your left navigation menu. Click on it to begin the export process. From here, you'll be directed to the new export screen. Click on the drop-down selection and choose WooCommerce products. You'll be presented with the number of products that will be exported, giving you a quick overview of your inventory size. Click on Customize Export File to proceed to the next step. You'll now see all the product headers available for export. Since we need to edit product prices specifically, click on Product Data on the right side menu. From here, simply add regular price and sale price by dragging them onto the header field. This ensures that only the price information you need will be included in your export file. Then click on Continue. Once the prices are added, click on Save and Run Export. This finalizes your export settings and prepares your file for download. From the download options, click on CSV format. The file will automatically download with all your product information. After selecting the destination where you want to save the file, it will be ready to open as an Excel file. All you have to do now is add in the regular price and the sale price to bulk edit your product prices. Once you've made your changes in Excel, you can easily re-import this data back into WooCommerce, and that's it. You've successfully set up a system to bulk edit your WooCommerce product prices using Excel, saving you hours of manual work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.